Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious. Guys, I am on your screen once again. Happy New Year, guys. Unfortunately and fortunately, this is like my first video for the year. I had in mind to post a video earlier this year, but I lost the videos. I had challenges, so I couldn't post it. But then, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like, I hope you share, and please do not forget to subscribe. If you're watching this video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe and make sure to hit the notification button so that you will know when I post a video. So guys, this video is just a short, easy video for those that love hair bonnets, that plan to love hair bonnets, that plan to use hair bonnets, or that are using hair bonnets. So let's get right to the video. I hope you enjoy, guys. So guys, welcome back. What you'll be needing for this process is just some pieces of cloth, like 3 different colors or 2 different colors rather, or if you just want to use a pieces of cloth, it's fine by you. If you want to double it, then you can double it, fine by you. Then you get your scissors, your needle and thread, very important. Then I added chalk to it because I use chalk to mark out the places I'm supposed to sew. So you first of all, you cut out your material into a circle. I don't know how you want to do it. If you want to measure it and cut it out into a circle as a fashion designer, or you want to use something, a bucket or something, and just make out the circle out of the cloth, then it's fine by you. Just make out the circle, that's the cocoa. Then you place 2 materials together, then sew each round. After sewing each round, I left a space one side that enabled me turn the cloth inside out, and that is what I just did. I turned it inside out, and yes, this is it. So guys, honestly, I'll just say nonsense in this video. You guys should just take it like that, but obviously I'll be giving out what is more important. So I forgot to add the elastic band. That is even an important item in this process. You will need your elastic band. So after turning the cloth inside out, I just guessed an inch and I had to mark it. Just an inch from the edge of the cloth, I had to mark it. Then I had to sew it round. That inch that I measured would give the fine flay that is in front of the bonnet, flay or whatever it's called. That's the essence of the first mark or sewing that I did. So I measured another inch or an inch and a half, whichever way you think it would work out for you. I had to mark it. And then you sew. Guys, honestly, I'm not a fan of needle and thread, but I know that there are people that are really creative when using needle and thread. So I advise you make it firm if you do not want any kind of losing or anything at the end of the day. So remember the space I left when I was sewing the first part? That's what enabled me to be able to put my elastic in between the 2 places that I use my needle and thread on. And this is me forcing the elastic band into the cloth. I had to I think this was like my second or third attempt of trying to push this thing into the material. Everything here, it does not necessarily mean, well, you can buy your materials to use, but trust me guys, these 2 materials you're seeing here are like my condemned clothes that I had to tear off. If you know me very well, I think you even recognize one of these clothes because I used the life out of it, I wore the life out of it. Then my elastic band, guess where I got it from? Like my brother's old boxers that he was not using them. I had to cut out the band, tried my best to rip off all the thread on it to be able to get this elastic. I successfully brought out the elastic, and the 2 mouths I had to sew it with needle and thread to make it. After sewing it, I noticed that the bonnet was too big for my head, so I had to like adjust the elastic once more to make it tight. Had to be tight on my head. I didn't want it to be like really loose, because that's how it felt. So I just adjusted it. Had to pull out the elastic and, you know, tight it more. Yes, so guys, that is your, you can either wear it inside out. Two ways you can wear it, either in or out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching.